Everyone, we are Team 3B in Track 2, and welcome to the presentation of our app, WasteWise AI, an AI-powered framework for managing trash and recycling. The main theme of our app is waste management, more specifically in Puerto Rico. Here's our team, and also a special shout out to our mentor, Erica Corral.
We are all from communities affected by excessive waste, which inspired this project. Although our cities face different issues, the core problem remains the same: inconsistent waste management. Our teammate Jonathan from Puerto Rico shared the devastating aftermath of Hurricane Maria, highlighting how the destruction of trees and buildings left the island in ruins. Hearing this story motivated us to develop an app that drives meaningful change in how communities and governments manage waste after natural disasters. Puerto Rican landfills after Hurricane Maria, like Toa Baja and Cataño, are at overcapacity and suffer from illegal dumping to this day, causing both soil and groundwater contamination. Additionally, methane emissions from these sites worsen air pollution and health issues. With a recycling rate of only 9 to 14% and high trash production, waste management remains a major challenge. Despite government efforts to improve and close sites, effective public education and community involvement are crucial. The frustration of residents, compiled with 2.5 million tons of debris from Hurricanes Irma and Maria in 2017, further highlight the need for urgent solutions.
Our app is designed for two key groups: individuals affected by natural disasters who want to assist in managing the waste aftermath, and government officials or city planners seeking improved waste management solutions. Through the consistent use of our app, WasteWise AI, we aim to bring a sense of preparedness and dignity that is often lacked to the individuals who are recovering from varying disasters.
To gauge the value of our app, we sent out an 8-question survey. The results showed that our app is needed, and over 80% of respondents are interested in recovery efforts, though 50% haven't participated yet. This interest further underscores the importance of our app. Additionally, respondents also reported impacts like house and car flooding, roof damage, power outages, street closures, and evacuations after a natural disaster. Knowing that the participants had been personally affected by natural disasters, we then asked about their interest in features for post-disaster waste management. The top features include connecting residents to local organizations for waste and recycling, using AI to track and visualize waste management effects, and finally, reminders for trash and recycling pickup.
Utilizing the conclusions from the market research, our team created the app WasteWise AI. On the left is a preview of our app's intuitive, user-friendly interface, designed for easy navigation. On the right, you'll see features that address user findings and provide powerful tools for effective waste management and community engagement. Our app provides our stakeholders an AI-provided powered framework for post-natural disaster waste management efforts. Some features include personal AI waste advisor, an AI camera scanner for identifying waste, and community information platforms to connect people who are passionate about waste management. Our app equips individuals with a comprehensive set of tools to enhance disaster recovery efforts more effectively. Next slide. Firstly, our app conveniently displays all the local dumps, along with relevant information such as hours of operation, address, distance, and contact information. This goes hand in hand with our reminders function that allows users to set weekly reminders so they never miss trash day. Next to aid community cleanup efforts, we created a page that allows users to report local areas of interest, which are displayed in an easy-to-view list. Finally, we have our innovative AI solution that allows users to scan objects with ease to determine whether they're recyclable.
In this section, we'll compare WasteWise AI with existing waste management and environmental apps, including Literary, Recycle Coach, and Trash Out. These apps provide tools for waste tracking, recycling education, and community reporting. While WasteWise AI incorporates these features, our unique approach sets us apart. By combining awareness, information, and action in an AI-powered framework, we enable efficient disaster recovery. Our user-friendly platform integrates multiple features, specifically for managing waste during and after natural disasters like those in Puerto Rico. Instead of relying on multiple apps, users can turn to WasteWise AI for all of their waste management needs. Our app not only matches existing platforms, but enhances them with AI for waste scanning and a personal advisor, making it a more powerful tool for our stakeholders. For our ethical AI considerations, we chose our beneficiaries to have respect for to be the inhabitants, waste agencies, and waste volunteers. And our values to be considered are environmental responsibility, public health and safety, and accountability and transparency. For our inhabitants, the app helps residents manage waste and recycling habits. It keeps them informed about health risks from waste. For government agencies, they can use our app by updating and sharing waste management statistics. That way, they can maintain transparency and build public trust. Finally, waste volunteers can connect with individuals and local waste management efforts.
Looking ahead, we have several exciting plans to enhance WasteWise AI. One of our key initiatives is the integration of drone safety technology. By equipping drones with sensors and AI, we aim to identify hazardous materials and optimize cleanup routes, with real-time data being sent directly to our app. We also plan to form partnerships with local businesses to offer promotions or discounts to users who actively engage in our waste and recycling programs. This will incentivize community participation and foster a culture of environmental responsibility. Finally, we are working on integrating smart bins into our system. By collaborating with manufacturers, we aim to provide users with real-time feedback and waste management tips based on their bin usage. Thank you everyone for your attention, and a special thank you to our mentor Erica, the SureStart team, the MIT RAISE initiative, and all the individuals who completed our survey.
Thank you so much. Really was great to hear about your solution. It looks like it's very targeted to a special case of pollution and also community-based. So what are some of the features that you would consider for engaging people in the community? And do you envision different types of participants in the app?
Well, firstly, the make a report function allows users to see like places of interest where work is required in their like local communities. And whether this is for like altruistic gains or just like a desire to see or like a better community for yourself, you're able to join in and help those efforts. And if we implement the like local business partnership in the future, they'll also gain like incentives to join these attempts.
Thank you.
I have a quick question. Would this app be free to use for participants in these communities? Would local businesses sponsor people using it after a disaster? How would you guys use this in terms of a business?
Yeah, so as of right now, I think our app would be free. And for the future, for our future extensions, when we mentioned partnering with local businesses, obviously we haven't focused too much on the business aspect of that because we're mainly focused on the more technical aspect. But I think somehow incorporating a sort of system where the math works out to where the more people participate, the more they can help the local businesses within their community that also are affected, that it's not only people that are affected, but it's the businesses as well that also need the additional support. So even though there are promotions and discounts to help the people, that both the businesses also benefit from it as well. Does that answer your question well enough?
Yeah, it's mutual benefit. That works perfectly. Thank you. Really well done.
Yeah.